If you've been hunting for the perfect AI assistant setup, you've probably come across LM Studio and MSTY. Both are popular, both are powerful, but they're built for completely different kinds of users. So which one should you choose? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your workflow. Let's start with Msty, because this is the platform that has been getting a lot of attention lately. Msty is designed for everyday productivity. Researchers, writers, students, coders, and anyone who wants a clean, modern AI workspace without the complexity. You don't need command line experience. Installation is simple, and once it's open, everything just works. One of its biggest strengths is that it supports both local and remote models under one roof. That means you can run models on your own machine or connect to OpenAI, Claude, or any provider through an API, all inside a single interface. But what really sets Msty apart is its advanced productivity tools. You get split chat windows to compare answers side by side, branching conversations so you can explore multiple ideas without losing the original thread, knowledge stacks where you can upload documents, notes, or research, and the model will use them as context. And yes, it even includes built-in web search, giving you real-time answers even when the model doesn't have the information locally. Everything is wrapped in a fast, polished UI that feels like a true digital workspace. If your goal is to get things done, writing, coding, data gathering, or organizing information, Msty is hard to beat. Now, on the other side, we have LM Studio, which is built for a different purpose. LM Studio focuses on running local language models offline, giving you full privacy, total control, and zero cloud dependency. It's great for users who want to experiment with models directly on their hardware. LM Studio also makes it easy to load Hugging Face models in GGUF format, and its UI is simple, very simple. You load a model, you chat with it, and that's about it. There's no document uploading, no web search, no branching chats, and no workspace system. And honestly, that's the point. LM Studio is made for developers, testers, and AI tinkerers who want minimalism and direct access without extra layers or productivity features. So here's the bottom line. Choose Msty if you want a modern, all-in-one AI environment focused on productivity and information work. Choose LM Studio if you want a lightweight, privacy-first tool for testing and running local models with no distractions. So which one fits your workflow? Let me know in the comments. Are you team productivity or team privacy? If this breakdown helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff tech reviews. Thanks for watching.